Oh yeah, what's going down, people? It's your boy Raz, man. We back with another one on the way I see it. I want to get into this a suggestion that I had in the comments um for what is this? I don't know what that is, but it's for Blood4Blood by I'm thinking it's Contraband. It's you can see how it's spelled, so I'm assuming that's Contraband is the name of his bro's name, but yeah, this is one of the suggestions in the comments, man. I ain't seeing this at first glance, man. This shit look crazy. I'm not really sure what to expect with it, to be honest with you. But yeah, I mean, shit. Let's jump into it. Let's see what it's hitting for.
Fuck it. You want blood, then we want blood too. Fuck it. You want beef, then we fly bullets too.
You know how we coming. Emo, bitch, you can get cut too. Don't you hide and we gon' slide and get your mans too.
Fuck it. You want blood, then we want blood too. Fuck it. You want beef, then we fly bullets too.
You know how we coming. Emo, bitch, you can get cut too. Don't you hide and we gon' slide and get your mans too.
Stacy Dash, y'all ain't have a clue he was on your head top. Silly games, turn a family member to a dead eye.
Feel like I'm Michael, never stop killing a pussy. I'm here for life, so what's good? Moving in silence, bitch call me Jason. Slaughtering bitches, I'm far from a
If bro said turn a family member to a dead op. Oh my gosh, this shit crazy. I guess that's yeah, I guess that's what you expect with they say emo rap or some shit, something like that. It's like some emo rap type shit. It definitely gives me like metal, like black metal, not even black metal, just like a metal rap vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like clearly you see all the blood and you got dolls hanging from the ceiling and all types of crazy shit. But I want to say I think they probably got something going on here. Like this might be a genre that I'm just not familiar with that, is picking up some steam or something. Typically you don't see hip hop cross so much into the or I guess you call it rap, but you don't see it cross so much into the emo, hardcore, whatever you want to call it, genre. But since the Little Uzi Verts and XXX Tentacion and that the wave of kids that came in I want to say around maybe 2015 or 16 or whatever, they slowly changed the genre to where that I wouldn't say it's predominantly what people do, but it's definitely its own lane. It's definitely its own subgenre. This is a little deeper into that, but yeah, I don't know, man. They might be onto something here. Let's let's see what's going on, man. We finish it up.
Fuck your gang. Say the wrong letter, you get hanged, man. I ain't kill him, turn him to a vegetable. He brain
I
dead.
bet this chopper make a nigga play dead. Bet they bullets hit him where his face is. Nut on her face, call it daycare. Since the kid's gone, baby, take
Your
care.
bitch look like Ursula, my bitch look like she go. And the hoes dig me like zero, but I ain't no hero.
Fuck the hero, I'm the villain. Have him gone in a flash. Quick, make it quick like the flash. Subtract one, fuck math, bitch, that's pen dash.
Fuck it. You want blood, then we want blood too. Fuck it. You want beef, then we fly bullets too.
You know how we coming. Emo, bitch, you can get cut too. Don't you hide and we gon' slide and get your mans too.
Fuck it. You want blood, then we want blood too. Fuck it. You want beef, then we fly bullets too.
You know how we coming. Emo, bitch, you can get cut too. Don't you hide and we gon' slide and get your mans too. Pop out that night like I'm Batman. I'm killing pussies, I'm Catman. Don't touch the clock, that's my right hand. He talking slick, he get backhand. Niggas talking tough till they meet angels, till angel making me angels. Don't tell your bitch I'm a stranger, cause bitch I ain't no stranger. Fuck with that other shit, I'm tryna take your ass home, put the dick in the back of your throat. I'm chasing money, these blues and greens, man, all of my friends, these niggas is ghosts. Don't tell your nigga you fucking with me, he say something crazy, that nigga a ghost. I got the scope with the beam at his head, that nigga ain't do, I bet he won't.
Oh man, this is interesting. I'm low key glad that we didn't have maybe this genre or this kind of. I'm low key glad we ain't had this when I was younger, because this probably would have fit right in to where, like, around where we were at that time, running around just doing dumb shit. So if we had I don't know, man. We might have been just some wild type of motherfuckers if we had this type of shit around. But I, I don't really know what to think about this video, to be honest with you. The video is probably more captivating, like more drawing my attention than the song itself. The song is cool, but if you didn't have the video with it, you might not even look at it in the same light. You know what I'm saying? Like it might just come across as like, just a regular rap song, but the video gives it the life behind it, the type of vibe that you're getting from it. Yeah, I mean, I guess we finished it out. I don't know. This is a weird one. I'm curious, like who, what's the demographic for this? Like what age range, and like where is this most popular? Where are these dudes from? You know what I'm saying? I got a few questions. I'm just curious. But yeah, let's see. We'll finish it out. We only got a minute left. Oh shit! I was about to exit out of that one.
If your boyfriend don't pull up on us, he a bitch, she scared. I'ma know something. Look at the kid, got drip, like my nose running. Ain't about money, then bitch, I don't know nothing. Bitch wanna come to the crib, to the dungeon. Beat on her box like a drum, da-da-dum-dum. When I'm in that pussy, she know I go dum-dum. Want me on the track, I'ma need me a lump sum. Feel like the man goddamn when I walk in. I ain't even say a word, but I got us talk in. I ain't even rich yet, but I got him watching. Bitch said that boyfriend rap shit garbage. Put that nigga through a wall, like Casper. Never take that nigga serious, like Jasper. Buy a couple chains, don't make you a rapper. He get off stage, everybody start laughing. Fuck it. You want blood, then we want blood too. Fuck it. You want beef, then we fly bullets too.
You know how we coming, emo bitch. You can get cut too. Don't you hide, and we gon' slide and get your man's too.
Fuck it. You want blood, then we want blood too. Fuck it. You want beef, then we fly bullets too.
You know how we coming, emo bitch. You can get cut too. Don't you hide, and we gon' slide and get your man's too.
All right, well, yeah, that was interesting. What I will say is the song was kind of hard. Like the song, if you separate it from the video, because the video kind of pull your attention away from the stuff that they saying. You paying so much attention to what they doing, you can't really keep up with everything they saying. But when I was really listening to the song was hard. Like it was hitting. It was talking the same shit that most people talking. It was cool. The rhyme schemes was cool. The cadences, all the shit was cool. The beat was hard. So the song itself was fire. And the video, I think the video complements the song. As far as separating it from other videos that might talk about the same shit, but just somebody just sitting in a car, just flashing money or just got a bunch of chains on. I do appreciate that these dudes put some effort into their video compared to what most people do, you know what I'm saying, to at least make it somewhat captivating. So yeah, shout out them, man. We gonna like their video. Blood4Blood by CNTRBAND. I guess CNTRBAND is a group, maybe it's a band. CNTRBAND, I don't know, but yeah, man, that wasn't bad. That was cool. That was one of the suggestions in the comments, so I wanted to give it a check and see what it was actually hitting for. I mean, it seemed like, they got a couple comments in here. It seemed like people messing with them, but shit, go give it a listen if y'all messing with it. And shit, I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'll let you.